Python powers the world around us, from Netflix recommendations to financial models, all the way to medical research data. In these courses, you will work on real projects that mirror the challenges that companies face today. Python has a very strong and vibrant and growing community. Since 2025, Python has consistently ranked on the top of many indices as being one of the most sought-after languages for computer programmers to know in the tech industry. Python 1 is a true beginner course in Python. We start off by assuming only the basic necessary arithmetic skills people need in order to enter the tech industry and turn a person into a confident coder who can then use their skills to navigate the world of Python. Python 2 is an intermediate course in Python. In this course, we take learners who already have some prior experience in Python or other programming languages and take them to the next level by teaching them skills needed to practice data science and artificial intelligence. In this course, we teach you about NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and other useful modules that students can take with them immediately and apply to their workforce or current job.